Always wear proper eye and ear protection when repairing or servicing tires and wheels. Work in well-ventilated areas or wear a mask when using rubber cleaner in cements. Avoid prolonged skin exposure to rubber cleaner. When servicing commercial truck, tractor, or OTR tires, follow guidelines as outlined in OSHA Regulation 29, CFR 1910.177, or other government regulations that may apply. MSDS are available on our website at tech-international.com. Before attempting to repair any tire, it must be removed from the wheel and placed on a tire spreader in a well-lit area. The technician should systematically examine the tire for damage and mark all damaged areas with a tire crayon or paint stick. The technician should be aware of the company's repair policy, as well as those of the tire manufacturer and Tech International. Tire industry recommendations, along with the service application, speed rating, and construction, must be considered when determining repair limitations. Warning: before dismounting or repairing a tire, always ask the customer if an aerosol sealant was used to inflate, seal the tire. Aerosol sealants may contain a highly volatile gas. Always remove the valve core in a well-ventilated area, away from sources of excessive heat, flame, or sparks, and completely deflate and reinflate the tire 3 times before removing it from the rim for repair. Tires with the following conditions should not be repaired or should be sent to a full-service repair facility. Potential zipper rupture. Light and medium truck tires or any tire with steel radial cables that has been run at less than 80% of recommended air pressure or overloaded must be treated with caution. Tires in this condition may suddenly fail, causing serious injury or death. Any tire with steel radial cables must be examined closely for signs of sidewall cable fatigue caused by overloading or underinflation. If a tire is suspect, it should be inspected for ripples or bulges in the sidewall, discolored inner liner, protruding wires, and so forth. If none of these signs are present and the tire is repaired, it must be inflated to 20 psi above operating pressure in a safety cage, then lowered to operating pressure before returning to service. Refer to RMA Tire Information Service Bulletin, Volume 33, Issue 3, Inspection Procedures to identify potential zipper ruptures in steel cord radial truck, bus, and light truck tires. Ozone cracking. The ozone and ultraviolet rays of the sun can actually cause severe cracking of the sidewall rubber. If the cracking is so severe that cords are exposed, or if the cracks form continuous lines, the tire is non-repairable. Injury greater than maximum size limitations. Industry recommendations for tire repair state that injuries up to 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters in the crown area of a passenger tire and 3/8 inch or 10 millimeters in the crown area of a light truck or medium truck tire are considered a nail hole. Tires with larger injuries or injuries located in the shoulder and sidewall should be referred to a full-service repair facility. Tech's inspection tool, number TRT-105, is used to determine the injury size and angle. Run flat or underinflated. Any tire in this condition should not be repaired. Tires run in this condition may exhibit discoloration of the inner liner, ripples or bulges in the sidewall, or separation due to heat and rim chafing. Remember, if the tire has steel radial cords, it must be inspected and treated as a potential zipper rupture, as mentioned at the beginning of this chapter. Casing separation. Any tire exhibiting rubber, tread belt, or ply separation must not be repaired. Excessive tread wear. Never repair a tire worn to the tread wear indicators or with 2/32 of an inch, 1.5 millimeters, or less of tread depth remaining. Exposed plies, cables. A tire must not be repaired if fabric and/or steel plies are exposed due to sidewall scuffing or excessive wear. Deformed bead, exposed fabric, or steel. Never repair a tire with kinked or broken beads. Tires with exposed fabric or steel in the bead area should be referred to a full-service repair facility. If the injury angle exceeds 25 degrees, the tire should not be repaired with a uniseal repair. A two-piece repair method must be used.